So this euro dollar analysis for Thursday, the 12th of April. Now, let's just have a look what have been prices and where prices may likely go. So, as we were saying on euro dollar, we were looking if we did break beyond this consolidation beneath 23.62, we're looking for a move up towards that 23.96, essentially 124, from which we could have potentially seen a pullback, and that's pretty much what we saw. We didn't see the price progression beyond the 123.96. What we did see was a pretty much looks like a perfect test of that 123.96, from which we have seen the sell side momentum take us back down towards that 23.62, trade slightly below 23.62, came down towards, I think that's the 50 period moving averages there. Don't really use it. Seen a bit of a bounce, had another test of this 23.62, trade below it, and we are seeing some bullish buy side momentum come back into this market. Now, we've gone on quite a bit of an extended run, so we'll look to see if we can hold on to this 23.62. If we do fail from this 23.62, and we do see this sell side momentum continue itself in this market, we're then looking for prices to trade down towards that 23.20, where we do have the 400 period moving average in this area of consolidation. Successful break from which we've got 23. Round number coupled with the 200 period moving average, but ultimately if we do see a breakdown from this 23.62, I'm looking for prices, well, we are looking for prices to head down towards that 22.87. I can't anticipate price breaking down further down towards that 22.23, so I'd expect prices to possibly the far end of the range here being around that 22.87. But if we did see quite a bit of volatility, 22.23 may come into focus. An important swing low here in the market more recently. Now, if we do hold support at the 23.62, we'll look to see what happens on a retest of the 23.96. Successful break from which we're then looking for prices to proceed all the way up towards that 24.50, and if we do break from 24.50, we're then looking for prices to move up towards that 125 and 125.55. We'll have a brief look at the daily chart here before wrapping up on the euro dollar. So over on the daily chart, we can see here we're still in a bit of a consolidative range here on the euro dollar. Still in a bit of a consolidative range. We've come down to the lower end of the range. Not the very low of the range, but a lower part of the range. Just here, we didn't come to the lower end of the range. An area previously found support, and again, we do appear to have found support. We are seeing a bit of a pullback here. Yesterday's candle did close a bit. In terms of open to close, it was pretty small. So it is a possibility of seeing a retracement or seeing that further bullish buy side momentum here on the euro dollar. With that said, that wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.